Oh, I can already see it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Girl, long time no see. Sorry about that. But we're here now, so no worries. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be unboxing a birthday present to myself from me. And it is a new bag. Here it is in the box. Now this is, we ordered this from Selfridges. So I had it gift wrapped by them because it's my birthday. And let's open her up. Now she is a Kurt Geiger bag. And I just thought she was so cute.
Girl, bye. Bye. Get out.
If anybody else is interested in ordering from Selfridges, this is what the gift wrap looks like. So you've got, the bag is actually wrapped up in here. But let's just go with these. So this one says open me. And this is like a little card. And I didn't write anything in it because, you know, I thought it'd be weird. So it just says with love from Selfridges. Super cute. And it says open me. Doesn't this give you Alice in Wonderland vibes maybe? Girl, stay there. And in here is the like invoice, the return label thing. Yeah, so it comes with that as well. It says, thank you for shopping with us. We hope this delivery brightens up your day. Now let's get into the actual bag. So it comes in really nice packaging. It comes with a nice little seal here, which I kind of don't want to rip, but I guess I'm going to have to. Oh, oh. Then we'll open it out like this. Oh, I can already see it. Oh my god, it's so cute, you guys. Oh. Oh my gosh. It literally, I feel like it matches my dress. We're really sorry, but if you remove me, you can't keep me. You're already removed. What? I'm keeping her anyway. So that's it. The box is now empty. Go bye. Oh my god. This is the bag. This is the, what is this actually called? It's the Kurt Geiger Ken's Heart bag. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's really nice leather. It has like the sort of like eagle head thing on here, which I actually love. You can see the sparkly gems. I'm actually really impressed with the quality. Oh, it has a leather pull tab just here. And it just opens up. Oh, it does come with oh my gosh, so many things. It does come with the dust bag, which is just a Kurt Geiger dust bag, which is really nice for the bag. And this is the main bag. And then on the inside, I take this stuffing out. So you can see it's nice. There is some writing on the inside here. It says, Kurt Geiger, London. Inspired by our city, we believe in self-expression, authenticity, and distinctive design for the individuals who want to channel their inner true style. Design is what we do, kindness is what we are. It's a really nice, smooth zipper pull. The chain comes wrapped really nicely. I just want to make sure it's not damaged before I take anything off. No, it's all good. The chain is quite light. You can kind of hear that. It does have the original tag. It just says leather. So this is made from genuine leather, which is really pretty. And, oh, are we going to do this together? Peel this. satisfying. Oh, peel this sticker off. Ooh. I'm surprised the eagle head didn't come with a sticker, to be honest. Yeah, I'll give you some close-ups of them. Really love this bag. Okay. I don't really know what else to say about it. If you want me to do a more in-depth review of the bag, like body shots, trying it on and stuff, let me know below. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye! Mwah.